Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm buying a lot more. I'm getting ready to buy Tesla. It can come down to those supports. If you've been following my videos from a long time ago, I'll show you. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to the tech, and you can see here that Tesla is coming to buying ranges. 156 was the first target and 117. I do think it'll go down to 117, but I'll start laddering in at 156. I set alerts. This is on TradingView. So you saw Tesla go all the way up to 400 and then come back down. And now it's buying ranges of 156, 117. The PE ratio is still quite high. If you took my Stock Guru Master course, you know what I'm talking about. Price to earnings ratio is 55. So it's still quite high. 20 is a good ratio. But it's coming down to buying ranges. 156, 117. I'm going to add more. Let's go into Bitcoin. BNB getting hit today. Sam Bankman-Fried got announced that he got arrested. Sam Bankman-Fried got arrested. This is Bitcoin charts where you're watching this pattern play out going back to 2017. Big run up, came back down. Big run up 2021 to 67,000, pulling back to this blue line. That's the blue trend line that I expect. I do still think we're going to have this breakout of this descending triangle, but most likely it can touch 12,500. But it also has the possibility to break out of this descending triangle, which is bullish, breaks out 70% of the move. And if that happens, we could have a run-up going to 25K going into 2023. That's on the longer term. Let's go into the shorter term. 4 hourly. CryptoBot is saying sell. You get it in the master course. You can see that we're bouncing between this channel at the moment on Bitcoin since December. Bitcoin indicator bot is saying sell. Bitcoin indicator bot is saying on the short term time frame buy. On the daily, it said buy on. Wow, interesting. Look at this. On the Bitcoin indicator bot, the last time it said to sell was in November at 20,000, and now it said to buy down here, which is interesting. I do believe we're going to have a run up to 18,150, and I'm looking at a bull flag on the longer term, the shorter term time frame. It looks bull flaggy. Look at that. It's like kind of bull flagging. I think we're going to have a run up here in a breakout. Target will be 18,500. Let's look at different stochastic. Let's go to the stochastic indicator. Stochastic overbought on the hourly, so pulling back a little bit on the 4 hourly midway. On the daily, it looks overbought, but it's actually bull flagging also. Like it looks, but it can. I would be going more towards the long side. Bitcoin indicator bot is still, it said buy on the daily. Crypto Guru bot, which you get in the master course, is still saying sell. Stochastic is overbought on the weekly. Stochastic extremely oversold. I think we can have a recovery rally here. So I'd be going long from this point. And this news from BNB, all the FUD about BNB right now, and Bitcoin's barely reacting, is quite interesting. No one's taking the FUD anymore. They don't believe this shit anymore. They're like getting ready. They know it's cheap, which is interesting. I wonder if Binance goes down, we could have big FUD, but I don't think Binance is making so much money. This is the trade that it'll take, and you could set up a big long here on Bitcoin. This could be like a mega trade. Target there. This is a big trade on Bitcoin, like a longer term setup. It's 14.86 risk to reward ratio, risking $568 to make $8,453. With 10x leverage, that's $84,530. So one epic setup on a Bitcoin trade here, one of the mother of all ones. In the the very short term, should you take the trade from exactly this point? Let's see. I like it. It's bull flagging. That's the setup. Let's adjust. That's the setup that I would take on Bitcoin. And it doesn't have much risk because of this channel. Massive trade. So that's the trade. I'll show you. So opening at 17,141. Stop loss at 17,092. Take profit at 25,000. Longer term trade setup, which is beautiful. So that's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. On the longer term time frames, and at the moment Tesla's looking really good. Coinbase had a big bounce off the bottom there. Stocks, some of them are in the green. MCRT in the green, leading the market, which is beautiful. MCRT has been doing amazing. I'm the founder of this project. You have to do your own due diligence, check out the project. We will be releasing the PC version. Off the bottom, it's now sitting about 32% off the short-term bottom. We will be releasing the PC version going into Christmas. So Christmas Day, we're going to be unwrapping the PC version of the game, which will be cross-compatible with iOS and Android, which is also very beautiful. We had a massive spike all the way to 65. Interesting. So that's MCRT. Uniswap I'm also holding. I think Uniswap is it could be a very long-term big setup. Why? Because Uniswap is the most used decentralized exchange, and at the peak it was $45. Now it's $5. $45, now it's $5. Can it come down more? Possibly. But I do see this big descending triangle playing out on Uniswap. It's building massive pressure for a huge move. And then Bitcoin total market cap. Let's check out the total market cap of all cryptos. Look at that. If you just look at that, it looks beautiful. The overall wave. Look how much it pulled back. Crazy. Cryptos are super oversold right now. We have this big descending trend line, and we're having a breakout here. It can pull back down a little bit, the crypto markets, but it looks like it's breaking this descending trend line. On the daily, it's cooling off, but on the 4-hourly, it's oversold and bull flagging. Nice. Thank you for watching, everyone. Everything you saw here, you can learn how to do in the crypto master course. So in the description of this video, down below, you can go down below, you can sign up. You can sign up to Bybit. That's where I trade Bitcoin, Ethereum. You can buy MCRT. You get 30,000 USDT bonuses when you sign up to Bybit. You can see my live tutorial. You take the courses, more than 7,000 students, crypto master course, live trade alerts, free Telegram group where you can join. Follow all those links down below. Have an amazing day. Those are my thoughts on the market. Sam Bankman-Fried getting arrested, which I don't think is a good idea because it stops innovation in the space. Yes, he was building tech, but that's a controversial idea. But it's not good. It's gonna stifle innovation in crypto. People will be like, innovators will be scared to come into the market in case one of their programs breaks, and then they get like put in jail for like software that they create. It's crazy. Sam Bankman-Fried, I don't think is a scammer. He was just building a big company. FTX. If I told you I'll give you FTX tokens 2 months ago for $2 or $4, you'll shit your pants. You'll be so excited. So something happened there. I think they got attacked. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.